Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up a spring bag for Bath & Body. Definitely stay tuned, so let's get in and let's get into the bag. Alright guys, welcome back. I am super excited. One of the things, it's so funny that I started adding these Bath & Body videos to the channel. I don't know about you guys, but you guys have been totally digging it, and thank you guys. I so appreciate it, because it's funny, I've been shopping at Bath & Body for years, but I never thought that there were people out there that like Bath & Body videos too. So when I did my semi-annual sale, I'm just super excited. You guys were super excited as I was. So definitely gonna start sharing those Bath & Body with you guys so that you guys can see what's out there. Okay, so what I have here is a ton, and I'm gonna, like I said in the other videos, I'm gonna start reviewing them as I go. But I have a ton of different products that I have for the Bath & Body spring line. I know we just got over the hump for the semi-annual sale, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got from the spring line so that you guys can check it out. First, before we even talk, what did you guys think of the new bag? I don't know if you guys have noticed the new bag. I guess it's for Valentine's Day. I'm seeing other YouTubers say that because I'm not a Bath & Body expert. I'm just sharing with you guys my passion for it. All right, so what it looks like is on the front, it's in red, and if you turn the bag around, it's totally in pink. I love it. I think this is super cute. I love that every time there's a season, they totally switch up the bags. So I love that. Okay, so that's one. I'll put that to the side because a lot of these things, and I took it out of the bag because a lot of these things are actually from my online order. But I just wanted to share that bag with you because I had to make an exchange for a package there, for a candle there. But I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys saw that bag yet, if you've gotten that bag yet. I think it's definitely cute, especially for Valentine's Day. You can actually give it out as a gift. Okay. So let me just put the boxes together so that you guys can take a look. All right, so we are going to be unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it, everything that I have in this box. So let me just put this stuff away. Okay, first things first. If you place an order online, I didn't even know this. They gave me like a coupon code that's for 20% off. So I didn't realize that they give you coupon codes because I usually always go to the store. But they gave me basically a 20% off coupon code that lasts me all the way up until August. I guess they're trying to get me back because I definitely will be buying more using that coupon code. So that's cool. If you didn't know that, I guess they give you coupons. I didn't realize they were going to give me a coupon code so long, like so much in advance. So that's cool. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, if you don't follow me on Facebook, I'm sorry, not on Facebook, rarely on there. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me. It's under my name. It's under Lynette Bledsoe. But I don't know if you guys have seen, I post every time I see like new stuff in the store, my local store, I posted it, and I posted basically all the candles, the way that it had it displayed. It was super pretty, super cute, and that's gonna be my goal, is to get one of each flavor. Not the florals, I'm not really a floral person, but I heard from a little birdie, if you never watched Tina Marie, she definitely does some awesome from Bath & Body hauls. But she shared like a lilac and vanilla. Let me see if it's on here. It's not on here, but it's like a light pink. It's not strawberry pound cake, or this is cactus blossom, but it's like a light pinkish color. That one, she says it's not floral, because I am definitely not floral, but I will definitely check that out and see if I agree. All right, now, if you guys don't know, definitely make sure you download the Bath & Body app. It's awesome. Because I was a member of the app, I actually got a free goodie. So we're gonna talk about the free goodie at the very end. They only gave it to like app members, but we're gonna talk about it so that you guys can take a look and see the purpose basically of being an app member. And you have to look in the App Store or the Android store. I'm an iPhone person, so I don't know I guess Google Play to see what that's called, but if you look up under Bath & Body, that rewards app will be there. So the very first thing I see, and I will be reviewing these items, so don't worry, but the very first thing I have here is from Daydream. Now, the packaging on this one is super nice. So this is 24-hour ultra body Ultra Shea Body Cream. And then the notes on this is, let me see. So this comes in, this is fresh raspberry, sparkling pear, pink lily, and petals. So that's what that looks like there. And then you can see the notes in the back, and it tells you there. Now I'm noticing with their body creams, they are thicker than the body lotion. So I definitely usually tend to go for these because they're thicker. And plus it's winter, we need the lotion. So this is more so of a fruity scent. I smelled this at the store because I also purchased their body mist. So you guys are gonna see that review shortly. Or if we haven't, I don't know which way I'm doing this. So definitely check out my other Bath & Body haul videos. But I definitely got the fine mist because I love the fruity scent of this one. So that's one. And then another thing we have here is Saltwater Breeze. So this is actually the body scrub. So I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you guys can see that now. So this one comes in, the scent for this is fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and musk. I'm not gonna really review these. I know, because this is more fruity, and it has, you can tell this one is more so like a pear raspberry scent. This one, let me see, this one is more of like that clean, fresh linen. So I'm definitely digging that one. This is in a body scrub, but I use my app rewards. And what, if you guys don't know, if you don't know anything about the app rewards, the thing that it is, or the way that it works is when you purchase $75 worth of products, they give you a free item. So that free item can be up to $16.50. So what I did with mine, and I'm just looking at the price, what I did with mine, I think I got the scrub for free because I probably got the scrub for free because I'm looking at this price and it's not, you have to get $16.50. This is $18.50, and this is actually strawberry pound cake whipped body mousse. So if you like strawberry pound cake, then you're gonna love this. Okay, so I got this for free and I kind of wanted to check it out, so that's why I got that one for free. But every time you spend $75, they give you a free item. So because I didn't have anything saltwater at the time when I made the purchase, I wanted to grab that just because I like body scrubs too. Okay, now this one is a strawberry pound cake, and we'll do a demo and review it at a later time. But I wanted to share with you guys that this is out and available. So if you like strawberry pound cake, that is what this is. And if you're not too sure, which I'm sure you are, let me know in the comment section below if you, out of all the bake shop scents, did you like this one better or did you like the other ones better? We'll see which one I like. I'm not too sure yet, but the notes for this is fresh strawberry, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And this is a body mousse. So we're gonna demo that at a later time, but I just wanted to share because I definitely want to use these products, so I have to share with you guys. All right, and then last but not least, I'm gonna knock these babies out all at the same time so you guys can see. I got the trio here of the Bake Shop line. So we have confetti pop, we have margarita cupcake, and strawberry pound cake. So we already talked about the notes for strawberry pound cake, but I absolutely love the packaging. These are going in my bathroom because they're so cute. So I had to get one of each. So we have that, so that's one. And then the notes for confetti cupcake, for confetti cake pop. All these names are like, these are pretty for me. So the notes for this is, what is it? Creamy cake frosting, rainbow sprinkles, and vanilla bean. So that's what that looks like there. I think these are super cute. So they're definitely going in my bathroom. And then margarita cupcake. So we have that. And that's what that looks like. Now the notes for this are key lime, sunny citrus, blossom, and ripped vanilla. So if you like citrusy scents, that's the one for you. I'm gonna figure out in my review for the Bake Shop line which one is my favorite. I don't know what that is yet, but definitely wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, now purpose of being an app rewards member is you get different perks, right? You get different deals. Of course, you get those free items, but this was a free item that was only available for a day. Let's just say, I don't know how I got this, but I got it. Okay, so what they were doing is, when I signed up for the app rewards, I was living up north, and I guess that's how I got this. at the time. So what they were doing is they were giving out a free, and I don't think this is covered. Okay, I just wanted to make sure this didn't, I don't see it tied to this, but what they were doing was giving you a free salt water mist, and what is this? A lotion. Yep, a body cream. So I'm gonna just take it out of the bag so you guys can see it, but you guys got that. So that's another benefit. Definitely make sure you're subscribed. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, but definitely make sure you download the app. So what I got was this, and this was just an extra. I didn't pay for anything, so that is so cool. So see, I got the body scrub, which I was curious about saltwater breeze already, but I actually got this for free because of the app. Okay, so what this is like I said, the fine mist, and we have the body cream. So you see that there? Super. These are full-size products. Another key, definitely get the app. So the notes for this, I said, are fresh linen, violet leaves, and water blossom white musk. So if you like fresh, clean scents, that's what this is for. So definitely reviewing, because I have 3 items from the line. See, and I don't have the shower gel, but this is a body scrub, so kind of thinks, I mean, it's almost a set, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna review that for sure for you guys. So what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. Sorry, I thought I heard like UPS again. I'm like, seriously, I did not order anything else. All right, so let me know what you guys think. So we have just to review, we have the line from Big Shop. So we have that here, got that. And then we have the set from Saltwater Breeze. And then in a sense, we do kind of have a set for Strawberry Pound Cake. And then we have Daydream. Now Daydream, I do have the fine mist for that. So I'm definitely gonna review that one for sure. And one tip that I would tell you guys, if you're using like their lotions and you think the scent is kind of weak, what you could do is if you put the lotion on and then put the fine mist over it, that will make that scent stronger. So I hope that helps you guys. All right, so what did you guys think about my Bath & Body haul so far? Definitely gonna be reviewing more because it seems like you guys like these kind of videos, so I definitely love it that you guys like it. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried any of these, because I'm definitely curious as to see what you guys think. And with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.